Today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily add Google Analytics to your Godaddy website. Whether you want to understand your site's performance or track visitor interactions, this is a key step in growing your online presence. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to GoDaddy, open your web browser, and head to godaddy.com. Click Sign In at the top right and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the My Products section. This is where all your domains, websites, and services are listed. Find the website you want to track and click Edit Website to open the website builder. Step 2. Access the Settings panel. Inside the editor, look for the Settings tab, usually located in the top menu. Click on it, then find and select Google Analytics from the list of available options. Step 3. Get your Google Analytics tracking ID. Now, open a new browser tab and go to analytics.google.com. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, create one by following the setup prompts. Once you're in, set up a new property and copy the tracking ID. It usually starts with G or UA or UA-. Step 4. Connect Analytics to GoDaddy. Return to the GoDaddy editor. In the Google Analytics section, paste your tracking ID into the appropriate field. Click Save, and that's it. Google Analytics is now connected to your site. You've now successfully added Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. This powerful tool helps you understand visitor behavior, track performance, and make smarter, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials on optimizing your website.